Hey everybody! Let's say you have a great idea for an original YouTube video that you can't wait to create. Except for you're not sure how to start it, or what to say once you get started, or how to finish it for that matter. Well, not to worry. Simplified has got you covered, because now its AI has a template designed to help you outline your YouTube video before you even start recording. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So to start, we'll come over here and click Generate Copy. Then we'll come down here and click Explore Templates. And from this page, we'll scroll all the way down to the YouTube Video Outline template, which will help you generate YouTube video outlines from a given title. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now we'll fill out the prompts, including our language, as well as the title of our video. Once we've done that, we can always apply advanced options, which include selecting the number of results we'd like to receive upon our first round, as well as the creativity level we'd like to receive them in. We can turn the advanced options on and off by using this toggle switch right here. And when you're ready, go ahead and click Generate. And look at that. Simplified's AI has taken the video title I provided and laid out an easy-to-follow outline that I can use while creating my YouTube video. If you'd still like to see more results, just continue to click the Generate button again and again until you feel you have enough options to choose from. Once you're done generating results, you can always click this heart icon to select your favorites, click this icon to copy a particular result to your clipboard, which you can paste wherever, click this trash can icon to delete the results you don't wish to keep, and of course, click these three dots if you would like to edit the results to give it more of your own voice. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you to navigate the YouTube content creation landscape, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.